ALPHACAM. So if we go to report settings, we'll see in the image type field there's an extra option called filled color. So you can set that for nested sheets and parts. And then run your report. You'll see that all the parts are coloured so that it's easier to cross-reference the parts list with what's on the sheet. This is also compatible with kit nesting. So kit nesting is when you need to keep the parts grouped throughout production, because, for example, they might make up all the parts that make up one unit. Like you can see, these have 3 different kits being used to make up this job. So this uses kits, and I'll run the report again. And now you can see the parts are grouped according to the kits and coloured accordingly.